In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use deep search in Grok 3. First, open Grok 3 either in your web browser or through the Grok app, and make sure you're logged into your account. A quick tip before you start. If you're on the app, check that you're on the latest version for the smoothest experience. And if you're in a browser, use a modern, up-to-date one so everything loads correctly. Next, start a fresh conversation. Click New Chat, or simply open the chat box where you usually type your requests. Beginning with a new chat helps keep your conversation focused and makes it easier to compare responses when you turn features on or off. Before we go further, if you need quick access, I've placed the official website link and the app download link right at the top of the description. That way you can jump straight in from your device of choice without searching around. Now let's find deep search. Look at the bottom of the text input area, the same place where you type your prompts. You'll see the deep search option there. Depending on your screen size, it might appear as a labeled toggle or a small switch near the message field. If you don't see it immediately, expand your window or tap the input once to reveal additional controls. Go ahead and enable deep search by clicking the toggle. When it's on, Grok 3 consults a wider range of sources to produce more detailed and comprehensive responses. Expect richer context, more nuanced explanations, and, occasionally, a slightly longer generation time. That's normal. It's gathering and synthesizing more information so you don't have to. Type your question or task into the chat box just like you usually would. Deep search doesn't change how you write your prompt, but it will enhance how Grok 3 answers it. For best results, be specific about what you want. Include any constraints like timelines, formats, or examples. For instance, instead of summarize this topic, try summarize this topic in 3 bullet-free paragraphs with key takeaways at the end. Clear inputs lead to clearer outputs. Press enter to send your request, then review the enhanced response. Scan the opening summary, skim the details, and note any recommendations you want to explore further. If something needs refining, ask a follow-up right in the same chat. Deep search works across iterations, so you can tighten scope, request sources, or ask for a shorter version without starting over. That's how you enable and use deep search in Grok 3 to get more comprehensive answers. Thanks for watching.